We are here today in St. Augustine with a 1959 Renault Dauphine. For your headlights, you have a twist knob. And then to turn them off, your turn signal. As well as radio. And then we do also have a little ashtray up here. And then your windshield wiper switch. This is also a 4-speed manual. And then your front windows are roll-up windows. And then because it is a 4-door, you do have your back sliding windows this way, because it's easier. And there's this little lever here for the trunk. Very spacious trunk area. And then you also have your spare tire up front. And then to close this, gently set it down. And then come in here to fully seal the trunk. This is a 845cc Inline-Four. This is a rear-mounted engine. It is water-cooled as well as rebuilt. And then right in this area, there has been a tube that is removed for more airflow as well. And then for your gas, it is in this rear area here, as well as your jack. These vents also allow more airflow to get to the radiator.